lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It is time for another double spooky box club unboxing, which I'm very excited for. I really hope I haven't ruined anything because in a very on-brand move I tripped and slightly landed on my package. So I'm really hoping I haven't ruined anything, because of course I did, because honestly the only shocking thing here is that it's taken so long for that to happen. So hopefully nothing in here is damaged. Something in one of these got spoiled for me because a bunch of people got their spooky boxes like way before I did by the looks of it, like quite a few days before, and posted this thing everywhere. And I'm gutted because I know that if I had have seen it as a complete surprise, I would have lost my mind. So I'm very, very upset that that got spoiled. I'm sure I'll still be very excited seeing it in person, but oh, that's so annoying. But our themes are mean ghouls, fun, and Children of the Night. Very exciting. Which one's first? Children of the Night is first. Oh, I love a bit of mean ghoul. I hate, like, whenever it comes to like taking group pictures, especially with 3 people, I always find it fun to just, you know, like quote Mean Girls with just that, like, you can't sit with us. And of course, it's never serious. I could not be less like that. Of course it's not serious. But someone always gets pissy and takes it really seriously and it's like, ooh, that's horrible. Why would you want to be like, it's like, oh my god, it's just a movie quote. It's like, oh, it should be you can sit with us. And I'm like, but that's not the quote from the movie. So if you ever see me posting something with the, like, the you can't sit with us, it's just because it makes me laugh. I always find like a lot of humor in like quoting movies and like acting like characters from movies of like the really like bitchy popular girl stereotype, bitchy like popular American high school girl stereotype, because it is so far from like, you know, the reality. So it's just funny to me to like imitate that, but someone else takes it seriously and ruins the fun. So future warning, if you ever see that, please just know it's a joke. Anywho, so I really wish we could open Mean Ghouls first so I can see if I've ruined anything, but Children of the Night comes first. So we're going with it. We're going with this one. So let's go ahead and open. Ooh. Oh, there's the thing that got ruined! Oh, I thought, oh, okay, oh, but it's very cute anyway. I'm so upset that it got ruined, but it's very cute. Do you remember our ghost son? He has a sibling now. Look. This is too cute. This is illegal. Illegal, I say. Look how freaking cute this little bat plushie is. It's so soft. It's like a really nice soft material, and it's little star cheeks, and it is just, it has a little pink bow. Unreasonably cute. I love you. Right. Oh. I actually thought that was going to be in the Mean Ghouls box, not because it fits the like it fits this theme better, but just the Mean Ghouls box feels heavy, so I figured that would be in there, but I was wrong, so that's very exciting. Okay, so next up, oh, so right just here I see that there is a little like cat ear headband. Do I want to keep it off this look? Not today, I think there's already enough going on with this look, but that's very cute. I somehow don't have one of these, so that works out well. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Like, I haven't seen this one, but I have something similar, but like not that similar. Ooh, oh, it's cute. Oh, so this is like a hair slide. So let me show you first. It is this adorable little bat, which is just so very cute. And like the way you use this is like, you know, you do your hair up in like a bun or a twisty thing or something, and you kind of like put this over it. And then there's this stick that goes through the wings like this that you put like through your hair, through the wings and through your hair, and you slide it in. So it's like this, like going through your hair, and it holds it in place. And that's such a cute little one. I love that. That is adorable. I love bats. Okay, we have, oh, we have a cute jingly collar. Oh my goodness. It's a collar with a little jingly bell. That's so cute. I have something like this in pink. This is nice actually because it's not nearly as loud as the other one I have of this. Like, it still makes noise, but I feel like the other one I have is much louder and it tends to annoy people whenever I wear it, whenever I'm like with other people. This one's not as loud. It's very cute. I can't with all my hair today. I will ruin everything if I try, but that is adorable. That is definitely like very me. I very much like that. I would wear it right now, but look at this. There is too much hair to try to get through. Gotta banish some of it to the back. We have our candy. Oh, it's like a whistle. It's a lollipop that like is also a whistle. I haven't had one of these in years. I don't know if you have to finish the lolly before it'll whistle. maybe. But yeah, little lollipop whistle by Swizzles. Oh, what pin? Oh, that's cute. Oh, I enjoy that. Okay, let me show you the pin. Is this little one, and it says Nocturnal Society, which is perfect because I am most definitely nocturnal. Insomnia has been hitting me bad recently, guys. Like, I'm always a night person. No matter how hard I try to be a morning person, I always end up being a late night person. But like recently I have not been able to sleep. And I'm losing my mind. Just a little bit. So that hasn't been great, but at least now I have a little pin to officially declare that I'm part of the Nocturnal Society, and I'm quite happy about that. Ooh, we have something in a little thing. Oh, ooh, blank stainless steel coffin-shaped pet name tag. Oh, that's cute. Oh, but Sebastian doesn't wear a collar. Oh no, that's adorable. He'd be so mad if I put a collar on him. So it's just a completely blank little coffin, and you can just take that to like somewhere like, you know, where you get your keys cut, or literally anywhere that you would usually go to get like a customized like tag for your pet, and they can put your pet's name on there. God, I almost want to put a collar on Sebastian just so I can put this on him because that's so cute, but he'd be so mad. He's like strictly an indoor cat, and that's why he doesn't have a collar, and he is microchipped. But yeah. Oh, and then finally we have like a little art print. Yes! It says, listen to them, the children of the night, what music they make. Do you guys know what that quote is from? Don't let me down, leave a comment if you know this quote. I've always loved it. I've always really loved it. It gives me chills. Makes me very happy, so that is wonderful. Okay, let's see if we got everything for box number 1, which I very much enjoyed. Custom made cute bat plush. Yes. Custom made bat beret hair slide and pin, yes. Custom made black magic kitty bow choker, yes. Custom made engravable coffin pet tag, yes. And it's made with stainless steel. Custom made Nocturnal Society pin, Black cat ears headband, yes. Custom made Children of the Night art print, yes. And spooky box candy choice of the month. Yes, we got everything from that box. Okay. Next up, let's see if I ruined anything. So we'll just open it all up. Ooh, 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 ooh. So right, we put the thing to the side, but what is right on top? What are you? Is this for a car? Because I'm learning to drive at the minute, and oh my god, the temptation to put this on my car. I love this. Oh my god, I forgot it was Mean Girls themed, of course. Oh, so it's like some sort of huge sticker that says, "Get in, loser, we're going haunting," which like, I imagine all of you must have seen Mean Girls, but in case you haven't, there's like an iconic scene where like, the girl, like, she like pulls up in her car and it's like, "Get in, loser, we're going shopping." But in this, it's "Get in, loser, we're going haunting." I love this. If this is a car sticker, oh, but like, I had an idea for like the theme of like decorating my car, and this would really throw it off, but now I want to kind of throw out my whole plan. But this is so fun. I'm gonna need like 5 cars just so I can decorate them to all the different themes that I have in mind, and then I can take like each car depending on like my outfit for the day. Why am I not rich? This is the stupid crap that I would do if I was a millionaire, and that's why I'm not a millionaire, because I can't be trusted with that kind of money. Oh, I love this, so we're off to a good start. Oh, what's this? Okay, so there is a pen. This is so fun! Okay, so right, so we have a pen, which I'm always losing pens, so it's good to have a pen. But like, as you click, hold on, make sure you can see it. As you click through it, like, the quote, it changes. That's so fun. Yay, okay, that's cool. Love that. I'm enjoying this. Oh, we have another one of these. Oh no, this is, okay, so it's similar to the candy in the last box, but this is like a Love Hearts lipstick. So it's not real lipstick, it is candy, but it's meant to like look like a lipstick, I guess. That's fun. Next up we have a little box. What is in the little box? Oh, cute. It is a pair of earrings, and they are like quite deadly looking bat wings, like very sharp. That's really cool. They are kind of pointy. You could kill a man with these. Might take some effort, but you could do it. I should advertise everything. These earrings. With a little effort, you too can kill a man. Moving on. What are you? What is this? What is that? Oh! Wait, how does this work? This says Mingle's phone wallet. Oh, I see. Oh, that's cool. I haven't seen these before. I'm sure they must exist, but I haven't seen them personally. I thought it was like a wallet that your phone is supposed to go in, and I was like, my phone's not going in there. No, this is like, it's similar to a pop socket in the sense that it has like a peel off sticky back that you stick onto your phone case, but then it's like a little wallet you can put like a little bit of cash or your bank card in. That's cute. It has like, it's kind of hard to see, but it has like a lilac sort of interior with also a lilac little bat there, and that would just stick to your phone. That's very cute. Do I want to make a phone case? I don't know. I'll have to think, because this is very cute. And if I don't use it for a phone, I wonder if there's anything else I could use it with, because I really do like this. I feel like it'd be useful to me because I'm really bad for just throwing my card like into my bag by itself, and then I can't find my card when I need my card. So something like this would be very useful, because a lot of the time I just can't be bothered carrying around like a whole wallet. So, oh, there's more than one. Oh, okay, so we have 2 face masks. One has like a little star and one has a moon. That's good, because I keep leaving my face mask places. The other day I left one at the studio, and then I left one at my mum's house. So the more that I can carry around with me, the better. These are washable and reusable. So I'm not going to put it on now because I will ruin my makeup. But you get the idea. It's mostly just plain black. It has like a little spooky tag. It just says spooky here. And then a moon. And then the second one is exactly the same, but it has a star. I feel like a mask goes well with this look, and I don't know why. But I don't want to take all the makeup off my nose. So yeah, cute and practical. Oh, is this the last thing? Almost. Oh, okay, so so we have a Mean Ghouls burn book, which of course it will not be used as a burn book, but it's fun because it has like a bunch of like slightly adapted Mean Girls quotes, including "You can't sit with us." I love that. So yeah, it has "You can't sit with us" right on there, but you know, apparently that's terribly offensive. We've got "I'm kind of psychic," not like a regular ghoul, I'm a cool ghoul. It's October 31st. If you're going to haunt, I'd rather you do it in the house. I love that. She's fabulous. Fabulous, like boo, like a ghost. But she's evil. You can't sit with us. Full of secrets. My hair is most definitely full of secrets today. I've got a 6th sense. Boo, you whore. Get in, loser, we're going haunting. On Wednesdays we wear black. Whatever, I'm getting cheese fries. It's like I have ESP or something. And she doesn't even go here. So that's fun. It's like a bunch of like slightly different Mean Girls quotes. I love this. Very happy indeed. But it shall not be used as a burn book. Nice things only. That's cute! Ah! Wow. The last thing in the box is a cute little like art print of like a witch, but she's holding what looks kind of like a version of the ghost plush that we got a few boxes ago, so that's adorable. We love that. This was fun. I really liked this box. Oh yeah, the sticker thing that I need to find find out what it's for. Here we go. Aha! I love the aesthetic of today's. My camera's like blowing it out, but it's like pink, and it's like pink stripes like my background. Okay, custom made Mean Ghouls burn book journal, yes. Custom made Spooky Vibes click pen, Custom made stick on envelope phone wallet, yes. Custom made Batwing steel, yes, Batwing stainless steel earrings. It is a car decal! So like obviously if you don't have a car, you know, there's a lot of other things you could put this on, but it is meant for a car. Reevaluating the whole plan I had for when I eventually have my own car. Because I don't even really like purple, but this is purple and I want to theme the whole thing. It's not I don't like purple, it's just not like in my top colors, if you know what I mean. It is a very cute shade of purple as far as purple goes, and I do like it. It's just not something I would wear a lot, but now I'm like, let's make my whole car purple just to fit this one sticker, but it's so cute. But it is so cute and it is so tempting. Where did we get to? So yes, get in, loser, ghost car decal, yes. Custom made silver moon face mask, yes. Custom made silver pentagram face mask, yes. Custom made witchy art print, yes. And spooky box candy choice of the month. Yes, we got everything and I am very happy. I had a lot of fun with this. I think these were 2 pretty good boxes. Look at the bat. Look at the bat. And the... Oh, I want a car. As stressful as I find driving so far. As I'm recording this video, I've only had 1 lesson, but woohoo! Like halfway through, my hands were aching because I was just death gripping the steering wheel, and I was so happy that I was wearing a mask so that the people driving towards me couldn't see me, like, because that's what my face was, just the whole lesson. But I had a mask, so it's all okay. That's terrifying, I'm sorry. What was I saying? I don't know. It's the end of the video. Please do leave me a comment. Tell me what your favorite thing in the box was. I'm sorry about my Mean Girls rant, but it always gets on my nerves when I just want to like quote the thing, because you know, like 3 people saying in a row always reminds me of like that, and then people get annoyed and I'm like, let me have fun with movie quotes. But yeah, so I'm sorry for my rant, but it's happened too many times. Yeah, leave a comment, let me know what your favorite thing in these boxes was, and when you comment, no matter what, whether you tell me what your favorite things in these boxes were, whether you just have like a different comment, just no matter what you say, if you see Mean Girls, end your comment, like, you know, do like a paragraph down and end your comment with your favorite Mean Girls quote, because I think it'd be really funny to see what everyone's favorite quote is. Do it. I'm counting on you guys. Before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, that would be amazing. It is the best possible way to support me in this channel. Yes, it is. The link for that is down in the description, and there's a whole bunch of information on my Patreon about like what it is and how it works and all the rest, so don't you worry, it's all covered. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, do consider subscribing. You can check out some other videos first, see what you think. We have a bunch more of these unboxings if this is your jam, but there's also a bunch of other things as well, so check it out, see what you think, join the family, love to have you. And as always, you know, if you enjoyed the video or you just want to show some support, give it a little thumbs up. We always love to see that too. I like to see a little thumbs up. Even if you don't comment, I can see you there interacting, and that's nice. Righty-roo, I need to go and figure out what else I need to do tonight, but I had a lot of fun here. I hope you did too, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies!